Let's look at app states. So page states are great when we just stay on the same page, but if we want to bring this variable to different pages, so let's say we wanted to change the color for different pages, then we would need to use an app state. So let's just go back here, and then we click on the apps values, and we add an app state by clicking this here. Okay, perfect. Is red, and we set it again to Boolean, and then we could put it as persisted. So if, let's say, you wanted to be able to close the app and reopen it and keep this variable, then we would put persisted. But for now, we don't need this. So let's just create this. Okay, and then now we have here the default value, which is false. And if we wanted the default value to be true, we could just select this, but let's keep it as false for now. Okay, that's very nice. Let's go back to our page. And here, let's just change these actions. So we go to the actions, and here, instead of updating on page state, we want to update on app state. So we click here. And then update app state. And then let's just remove that. Add field is red. And then we set it to set value to true. Perfect. Now we do the same for the second button. We go to the action. It's still on page state. We're going to change that to app state. Okay, app state. And let's add a field is red. Set value to false when you click on it. Great. And now let's change the if condition. Let's just remove it and then select it again. So conditional value, and this is if app state is red is true, then we set it to red, and else we set it to purple. Perfect, that's nice. And finally, we also change a form page here. So we click on this here. So what we can actually do here is we can go back to the home page, and we have here already everything that's set up. So we can actually just copy this if we wanted to, copy variable, and then we go back to the profile page and then click on here and we change this. You just click on here and you can paste it. Perfect. And that's it. Let's test it out. Okay, so now we're on our home page. Click on red, purple, red, it works. If we go onto the form, we can see the form is red. But if we go back to the home page, set it up to purple, we see the form is purple. Perfect. That's it for this lesson.